Hello Standard 9, your Arun sir, and going to repeat the topic how to use a compound microscope. Our aim, our aim is to observe an onion peel under compound microscope. We have to observe an onion peel under compound microscope. And we have discussed that microscope is a device and instrument by the help of which we can see the microscopic things. Okay, we can see microscopic means which can't be seen by the naked eyes. So first, before seeing onion peel, we will learn how to handle a compound microscope. There are different types of microscope: electron microscope, simple microscope, dissecting microscope. But today I am going to discuss about the use of a compound microscope and how we can observe compound microscope to observe a onion peel or a plant cell. And one example of plant cell is the onion cell. As I have told you that you have seen cell only in the book. Here we will see the original cell. Okay, so let me explain about the working of a compound microscope. Dear children, this is a compound microscope. And compound microscope, let us see the parts of the compound microscope. First thing, whenever I will ask you, because you have to do it, to carry a compound microscope, hold this part only, and this part by which I am holding is called as the arm. So we will carry compound microscope by holding this part only, arm only. Now, different parts of a compound microscope, let us discuss. This one, you can see two lenses are there, and these two lenses are known as eyepiece because we use our eyes to observe here. Let me show this one. This one is the nose piece. See here, this I can rotate it, and this you can see three holes are there. Three holes are there, and two lenses I have attached fixed. We can open the lens, we can take out the lens also. You can see this is the lens which we can take out. You can see this is the lens, and you will see this lens is larger, 45 into 0.65 written. It is higher magnification and it is lower magnification. So it depends on us that what type of magnification we need. So according to our use, I am fixing it, the nose piece. This one is the nose piece, and it can be rotated. You can see it can be rotated. And how to know that which lens I will use? Just one sound, cut sound will come. See, I am going to fix this low power. One sound will come. See, one cut sound will come. It means the lens is fixed. Now, this part is the eyepiece, nose piece, and this is the stage. A stage not to dance, a stage to observe, keep a thing and to observe. This is the stage, and these are the clips. You can see clips. This part, it can go, when we will rotate, it will go up and down. This is called coarse adjustment, and lower one is the fine adjustment. So this is coarse adjustment, and this one is the fine adjustment. We can take out also. See, we can take out also this whole part, and I can fix also here. Dear children, learn it. You have to do it. Okay. So again I have fixed. You can see I have fixed it. Now this is the stage. Come just below the stage. What is there? This is arm, and this one is the base. Nose piece, eyepiece, base R, stage, coarse adjustment, fine adjustment. Now coming to the down part, you can see here, this part, you can see, this is diaphragm. What it is called? Diaphragm. Means amount of light what should be reflected. We fix that how much light we need, how much reflection we need. It is called as the diaphragm. Now just below the diaphragm you can see one mirror is there. One side of the mirror is concave mirror and one side is the plane mirror, and here mirror is fixed. Now what is the use of this mirror? The mirror will reflect light from downward, and if it reflect light from downward, the light will pass through the diaphragm and picture will become clear here. If we will keep a thing on the stage, clear picture we can see, and we can keep only slide and see. You can see in my hand, this is a slide, a rectangular glass slide. I remember that when you fall sick, we go to the doctor. Doctor put a needle in our finger and take our blood. They put the blood on this slide, and slide is kept here, and then it is observed under compound microscope. Very clear? So now, and some more thing. Coming to see the onion peel. Onion. What that day I have told, that not going to make salad. What we are doing here, we will observe the onion peel. And you can see one box is there in my hand. This box is called a dissecting box. And very interesting things are there in the dissecting box. See here, what things I have kept in my dissecting box. You will be surprised to know. See, just see here what things are there. This, you can see here, barber shop, whatever is, these things, scissor, brush, means these things are used to observe anything in a compound microscope. So first thing, this is an onion, and by the help of a knife, we have got a special type of knife in our this dissecting box. I have a knife and I will cut into four parts. See here, I am cutting. I have cut into parts, and any one part we will take. I will remove the dry part of the onion. I have removed the dry part of onion and not going to eat. One scale we will take out. Ek chilka. One scale we will take it out. This is one scale of the onion. Now I will press it like this. Okay. I will press it like this. After pressing, by the help of forceps, what I will do, I will try to take out one transparent layer from this side. Let me put on my spect. Okay. Let me put on my spect and then going to show you. See here. By the help of forceps, I have taken out something. See here. This is the onion peel. This is the peel. Peel means chilka. This is the onion peel. And now what I will do, this onion peel, I will keep this onion peel in a petri dish. See here, this is called as petri dish. And this is a beaker. In beaker water I have kept. I am putting a little bit water here. And in this water only I will keep the onion peel. Now, see where is my onion peel? Yes, this is the onion peel and I am going to put in water. Okay. You can see here in water I have kept the onion peel. It is a transparent peel chilka. Now what I will do, I will take scissor, and by the help of scissor I will cut into small pieces. Okay, because this much large piece not required. Let me cut into a small piece. Yes. And now by the help of brush only, not by other thing, I require brush. By the help of brush only, by the help of brush, I will transfer it into a watch glass, a small glass, okay, watch glass. Let us see, one small piece I will try to, more piece let me cut so that more options are there. Okay, and one piece by the help of brush only. We will not take by the help of forceps, because that forceps may damage the cell. And clean slide we will take. We may wipe the slide properly by the help of handkerchief. You can see one clean slide I have taken, and on this slide only I will transfer that onion peel. See here, I am going to transferring. Now I have transferred, and I will spread it. I have spread it. You can see. Now you can see this is the onion peel, and I have spread it, kept on a slide. Now next part. This you can see one stain color is there, and the name of the color is safranine. See the spelling, safranine. Safranine, one chemical, one color I am taking, and a little bit color I will put there. Okay. Now a question arises, why I will put color? What is the use of color? Since onion peel is transparent, and transparent it is very difficult to see. It is red in color, and I am putting red color over this. You can see I have put red color over this. Now next step, you will see I will take a cover slip. Here box I have got, this box is of cover slip box, and I will open cover slip box. You can see here how the cover slip looks. See here, this is the cover slip, and a small square shaped glass thing is there, and that is the cover slip. One more thing, we need clean. I have to wipe it, I have to clean it, because I will clean this cover slip. Now we may use glycerin also. Glycerin for what? Brightness will be increased. I know that you use glycerin soap. You put glycerin on the face for what? Extra glaze that you can get. So now what I will do, I will keep this here. You can. I am putting this here, and now I will take the cover slip. This is the cover slip, and one needle I will take. I have got a needle like this. Let me search the needle which is required. You can see in my hand such type of needle is there, and I am keeping at 45 degree, means this way I will keep, and slowly I will fix my finger here one side and one side by the help of needle, and slowly I will keep the cover slip over this. Now you can see I have put cover slip over the, and one thing I will see whether bubbles is present or not. So inside the pill no bubbles are there, and extra stain we will remove by the help of blotting paper. So here by the help of this handkerchief or cotton cloth, I am removing the extra stain. Now you can see bubbles are there, but bubbles are outside. Zoom it. Bubbles are outside the onion peel. Now I will fix the microscope. First I will fix the reflector, means lens. I will hold this way the mirror, and I will, by closing one eye, not both eye, by closing one eye, I will look in this. Darkness is coming, nothing is coming. I will adjust the light so that light can be reflected. Yes, now reflection of light I can see here. The screen, like cinema screen, it became white. Okay, and when it became white, now we can use the microscope, means light is reflecting from downward. So proper light is required for reflection. Now it is, I have done. Then I will take the slide, temporary slide in my hand. I will keep the slide here. You can see I will remove the pin. This coarse adjustment I will do like this. I will keep this on the stage and one hand here, and I will see that something coming or not. Only red color is coming. When we will go up and down, something will be visible, and I have to see that only. Okay. So now it is visible. Now it is visible, and we can see. Now it is clearly visible. The cells are visible. Okay. Now one question arises. The cells are clearly visible. This way we can see the cell, onion peel, and the diagram of onion peel, what we will see, will be like this. Same thing you can see there, this way. Like bricks, it will be visible, and this is the nucleus. Now, while you will see, this way it will be visible. This is the cell and this is the nucleus. Nucleus may not be visible by low magnification, low power. And that day I have told that I will show you the nucleus also. So let me try to show you that part I have shown. Let me try to take it in light, so that, or if light is proper, reflection may be good. Now reflection is coming nice. Okay, let me show the nucleus. To see the nucleus, to observe the nucleus, magnification. If we will see by lower, then only low magnification, then only many cells will be seen. And in higher magnification, one or two cells will be seen only. And that cells will be enlarged. Let me take to the high power, higher magnification. Yes, now just to show you the nucleus, let me fix it, focus it. Nucleus is clearly visible, but I will try to take photographs of the nucleus and the cell, and I will try to post in your WhatsApp group. Yes, now it is not visible, means process you have understood how to observe under compound microscope. So dear children, thank you very much.